Today, we're going to take a look at this TryHackMe room. As you can see, it's rated as easy, which means it's designed to be beginner-friendly. So we'll see how quickly we can complete it. I've never done this room before, so I'm going to go through it with you guys today and see how it goes. First, let's start with the initial task. The room says that an Acme Jet Solutions employee uploaded a photo of a residential property believed to be connected to the company's early operations, and we need to figure out where the picture was taken to confirm or debunk the rumor. So, we'll download the file first, and then examine the image to see what information we can find from it.
Now that we've opened the image, we'll examine it in more detail and search across Google and other sources to figure out where this location might be. Searched through Google and tried several different approaches, but we couldn't find any useful information. So now we're going to inspect the image using a tool called EXIF tool and see if there is any metadata or other information hidden inside the image that could help us identify the location. And as you can see, we're getting some location information from the image. We have the latitude and longitude coordinates available here. So when we enter these coordinates into Google Maps, we can see the location and get more information about. Now let's move on to the second task. This time, we're given an Acme Jet Solutions website, and the challenge says the company claims it was founded in 2025. However, one of its former employees says the company actually existed much earlier. Our job as OSINT investigators is to verify the company's actual founding date using only publicly available information. So, since we already have the website, we'll start by searching the internet and looking for publicly available information that can help us determine when the company was actually founded. So, let's see how we can find the information we need and verify the founding date.
quite a bit, but couldn't find the information at first. Later, I realized that the answer was actually available through the web archive. So, when we checked the archived version of the website, we were able to find the information we needed and successfully complete the task. Alright, now let's move on to the third task. This time, we're given another image that is believed to be connected to the company's international expansion. The challenge tells us that there is an iconic landmark in the image, and to the right of that landmark is a building that played an important role in a country's fight for independence. The signs on the outside of the building contain its name, and our goal is to identify that building and submit its name translated into English. So we'll download the image first, and just like before, check the metadata to see if we can find any useful information. But this time, the metadata doesn't give us anything useful. So we'll move on to Google and start searching for clues from the image itself. Let's see how we can solve. Quite a bit of research, we finally figured out where this place is. As you can see, we found the building, and it turns out to be their post office. When I clicked on it, you can see that the name of the post office appears right here. Since the challenge asks us to submit the building's name in English, we can use that name and complete the task successfully. All right, now we're going to work on the final task in this TryHackMe room and see if we can complete it. The challenge tells us that after investigating Acme Jet Solutions' origins, archived websites, and international presence, investigators believe that an internal document was accidentally leaked by one of the company's developers. This document may contain important information about the person responsible for maintaining their systems. We've already downloaded the file, and after opening it, we can see that it contains several different files and pieces of information. I also noticed what appears to be a username. My guess is that this username will help us find more information about the person we're looking for. So let's investigate it further and see what we can discover. Even after searching quite a bit, we still haven't found anything useful. So I have another idea. Since we already have a username, we can try searching for that username across different platforms. I remember a tool called Sherlock that I came across while searching on Google. It's a GitHub tool designed to search for usernames across multiple social networks and websites. So we'll use Sherlock to search for this username and see if we can find any useful information that helps us solve the challenge. We checked YouTube, we were finally able to find the information we needed and complete our last challenge. And honestly, this was my first real experience with OSINT. I've never really worked with OSINT like this before, so this was definitely a new experience for me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos like this, or tell me what kind of videos you'd like me to make next.